guten Tag. I think this is where we stopped. Was essen Sie, was isst du? Zum Frühstück, zum Mittagessen, zum Frühstück, zum Mittagessen, zum Abendessen, etc. Ich esse gern Pizza, ich esse nicht gern Reis, whatever it is. So, to talk about food and drink, to talk about what you like, what you don't like. I think we have done one entire round of exercise with this, no? Was essen Sie zum Frühstück, zum Mittagessen, etc. Okay. Then, hast du Hunger? Hast du Durst? Habt ihr Durst? Hast du Hunger? Hast du Durst oder habt ihr Durst? Möchtest du etwas essen? Möchtet ihr etwas trinken? Möchte. Möchte? Would like. Would you like to? Ja, gern. Nein, danke. Lieber. For example, möchtest du Cola? Trinken? Nein, danke. Lieber Wasser. Möchtest du Cola trinken? Möchtest du Cola? Nein, danke. Lieber Wasser. Okay. Lieber we said was what? I would rather like, yeah, more than that I would rather have something else. Okay. Actually, later on we will learn gern. Gern expresses a like. Okay. Ich trinke gern Cola.
The trinken, möchtest du Cola trinken? I was wondering whether it should be trinked or like.
That's a good doubt. Good you asked because I haven't explained it yet. Okay. So, I was just coming to that. We can end the sentence here. Would you like cola? Would you like water? Would you like coffee? Möchtest du Cola? Möchten Sie Wasser? Möchtest du Kaffee? Etc. Okay. That's also fine. But if you go back to the English also, would you like cola? If I were to add the verb here, I would add what? To drink as it is. I won't conjugate drink. Would you like to eat some pizza? Would you like, my friend drinks cola. But if I say would like, then my friend would like to drink cola. I don't conjugate to drink. Okay, the would like comes in and I don't conjugate to drink. Exactly the same is happening here. Then I am not conjugating trinken because I have already conjugated möchtest. Möchtest du Cola trinken? Möchtest du eine Pizza essen? Okay. It's actually a good question because we'll come to that right away. What I was going to say was we have learned the word gern as a word that helps us express like anything that you do. You can play something, you can like to play something, you can like to eat something, drink something, all these do something. All these if you add the gern, that means you like to do that. Okay. The comparative of gern is actually lieber. Okay. So, ich spiele zum Beispiel, ich spiele gern Federball. Federball? Federball? Federball. What is a featherball? Badminton. Federball. Okay. Ich spiele gern Federball, aber ich spiele noch lieber Basketball. Yeah? So, I like to play badminton, but I prefer even more than that. If given a choice, I would rather play basketball. Okay. So that's the lieber, the word is actually the comparative of gern, and comparative superlative will come much later. Actually, it comes only in German too. But just to know that gern and lieber are connected in that way. Okay. Then we also saw the conjugations of mögen and möchten. Mögen and möchten, and the difference is what? between mögen and möchten? Where is the mic? Yeah. Anybody? What's the difference between mögen and möchten?
Mögen means to like.
One second. One second. Ich mag Cola and ich möchte Cola. Both are complete sentences. What are the difference?
So the first sentence means that you like I like to drink cola.
I like cola.
Yeah, I like cola.
Yeah.
Second one is I would like to have cola.
Yeah. Second one is a wish right now.
Yeah.
I would like. This is a general like and dislike, and this is a wish. Okay. So ich mag Cola. Okay. Ich mag Fußball. Ich mag Fußball. Aber ich spiele Fußball nicht. Ich spiele Fußball nicht. Ja? Ich möchte heute Federball spielen. Ich möchte heute Federball spielen. Okay. So mag and möchte. Mag is like and dislike. And möchte is wish. Okay. So if you want to express something that you want right now, use möchte. If you want to express something that you generally like, you can use mag. Also to be noted is the ish and the RSZ are the same in these verbs. We will come to that in the course of this lesson or at the most tomorrow's lesson. But also to be noted is that ich mag, du magst, we are following a pattern, but not magt, no T, mag. Similarly, ich möchte, du möchtest, pattern is there, but again, möchte. Okay. Otherwise, the other things are the same, as you can see. Wir mögen, ihr mögt, sie mögen. Wir möchten, ihr möchtet, sie möchten. It's the same. Only that first and third person singular, ich and they have the same conjugation. Essen is of course an irregular verb, and by now we have already done a list of irregular verbs, right? Any ones you remember irregular verbs? Treffen, sprechen, lesen, sehen, sein, haben, fahren, gets an umlaut, du fährst, fährt. Geben, sprechen we had. Nehmen, geben is to?
Go.
Geben or gehen, what do you say? Geben, yeah. This is the change in geben, gibt. That means do would be do, gibst with an S. Okay. And I think we have done nehmen. Nimmt. That means do would be do, nimmst. Okay, du nimmst. PPT on mögen and möchte. Ja. Der Papagei, der Vogel, der Papagei, der Papagei sagt, ich mag Salat. Ich mag Salat. Und der Mann sagt, ich möchte Pommes frites. Pommes frites? Pommes frites? French fries. Pommes frites. Yeah? Ich möchte Pommes frites. What is the difference between the two sentences? That the parrot already has a salad there, and the parrot is saying, I like salad, and the man is saying, I would like French fries?
Why is there no article after Mjöste? We should have a eine, something like that after the Mjöste, right? Because
Can
I
you-
would
Do you normally count pommes frites?
no in
or
the sense that we
French
say
fries?
that. No, look, we say something like I would like some water or a glass of water right now. So,
That's okay. I would like water. Is that correct or not correct? Ich möchte Wasser. Ich möchte ein Glas Wasser ist auch okay. Ich möchte ein Glas Wasser. Ich möchte Pommes frites. I want French fries. 1 plate, 2 plates, 5 plates. I don't know. I want French fries. Okay. You can say, in case you want to say 1 plate of, you can say eine Portion. Eine Portion. But I mean, if I am fantasizing about French fries, I'm not going to fantasize about 1 plate of French fries. It is like the universally full of French fries, and I'm completely dunked in all the fat there. So it is not necessary to have an article before certain. Why didn't you ask about this, Ich mag Salat?
because we actually never say like I like a salad or I like the salad. We always say I like salad, I like vegetables, I like fruits.
That's
So
not correct. Suppose I make a salad for you. Just suppose.
that is
It will be a
that is
horror day for you,
appraisal,
but
right?
suppose I make a salad for you.
So, but
And
that is
I give it to
appraisal.
you to eat. And then I use an imperative. Essen Sie den Salat. Okay. So if I say Essen Sie den Salat and I make it imperative for you and you don't like the salad, then what will you say? If you don't like the salad, what will you say? Okay, we have a interesting case here because I'm enforcing my will on somebody, somebody with my, yeah. Ich mache Salat. No, I'm just making salad. Okay, ich mache Salat. Und then ich sage zu Saurabh, essen Sie den Salat. This we will come to today, later on. But you don't like the salad. In English, now you're, what do you say? No, in English.
I don't like this salad.
I don't like
I don't like the salad. So, yeah.
the salad, no?
Sir, but that is like we are pointing to the specific.
Yeah. So I'm saying that it is possible to now our old man who is fantasizing about French fries, if he has some specific French fries in mind, then he would use ich möchte die Pommes frites. Die Pommes frites. Okay, but he just wants French fries, so he is not using any article. Similarly, the parrot is saying that in general I like salad, and so he is freaking out. And it's not as if he likes only this salad. If it were ich mag den Salat. Okay, ich mag den Salat. Ich möchte Pommes frites. Mögen oder möchte? Was passt zu mögen und was passt zu möchten? Schreiben Sie Sätze, Schreibsätze. Okay. So, for example, moderne Musik. Ich mag or ich möchte? Ich mag moderne Musik. Yeah, can we do this quickly? Start.
Ich mag moderne Musik.
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 Einen Ball. What is a ball?
Ich. Ball?
Ball, yeah.
Ich möchten einen.
Möchte.
Möchten einen
Möchte.
Ball. Möchte.
Ich, no?
Okay,
E
okay.
ending.
Ich möchte einen Ball.
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 Ball, yeah. Nudeln.
mag Nudel.
mag Nudeln oder?
Du magst. Nee.
Actually, with noodle you can have both.
Du
You
Mjöste.
can say in generally I like noodles or I would like some noodles. I would like noodles. So both are okay. Ich mag Nudeln, ich möchte Nudeln. So both are okay. Einen Film.
Ich möchte einen Film.
Yeah, ich möchte einen Film sehen actually. So it should be sehen. Eine Pizza.
Ich möchte eine Pizza.
Ich möchte eine Pizza. Yeah, eine is there. So ich möchte eine Pizza. Wasser.
Ich möchte Wasser.
Ich möchte Wasser or ich mag Wasser.
Ich mag.
Ja, beides. Both. Fußball.
Ich möchte Fußball spielen.
You would have to add spielen there. Ich möchte Fußball spielen. Otherwise,
Ich mag Fußball.
ich mag Fußball. Without the spielen, it's ich mag Fußball. Ein Glas Wasser.
Ich möchte ein Glas Wasser.
Ich möchte ein Glas Wasser. Ja. Fleisch. We finish this line and then. Fleisch. What is Fleisch? Meat. Do you like meat? Do you like non-veg?
Yes, sir.
Or is it a breach of your privacy to ask the question? Is it mentioned on your Aadhaar card whether you are V or NV? Fleisch is meat. So, what question would you ask? Would you ask, do you like meat or do you want some meat? What would you ask? In English.
Do you like meat?
Do you like meat? So, what is the corresponding German question for that?
Ich möchte Fleisch.
Ich möchte.
Ich möchte.
Möchte.
Ich möchte
Fleisch.
Fleisch.
That is, I would like some meat. I want to eat meat now. Okay, ich möchte Fleisch. Again, with Fleisch, like with Wasser and like with Nudeln, you can have both. I generally like meat. Ich mag Fleisch. Or I would like meat now. Ich möchte Fleisch. Okay, yeah. Dann klassische Musik.
Ich mag klassische Musik.
Klassische Musik.
Klassische Musik.
Klassische.
Klassische
Musik.
Musik.
Ja, ich mag klassische Musik. Noch einmal.
Ich mag klassische Musik.
Klassische
Klassische.
Musik. Yeah, you can give it back to einen Hamburger. Einen Hamburger.
Ich möchte
Möchte.
möchte einen Hamburger.
Ja, ich möchte einen Hamburger. Eine CD von Madonna.
Ich mag eine CD von Madonna.
Eine CD.
Ich möchte eine CD von CD von Madonna.
Von Madonna. Do you know who Madonna is? Yes, no? How many people don't know Madonna? Okay. Generational shift. Yeah. Ein Teller Spaghetti.
Ich möchte einen Teller Spaghetti.
Ja, ich möchte einen Teller Spaghetti. Ja. Okay. Doubt.
Yes, sir. So, ich mag Fußball and ich möchte Fußball spielen. Sir, so likewise we should have like ich mag Cola and ich möchte Cola trinken. So like why did we say ich möchte Cola? Like why not ich möchte Cola trinken?
With football, with football, there are different activities that you can do. You can buy it, you can lose it, you can, I don't know what, I mean you can, the football can be either the football itself or it can be the game. Okay, so if I say ich mag Fußball, it's a game. Ich möchte Fußball Spielen, you would have to add Spielen to that. Cola, it's not all the eating and drinking things, that is not a question at all. Ich möchte Nudeln, and I mean obviously essen. Okay, and if you were to go to a shop and buy a football,
Ich möchte Fußball.
no. What would you say to the shopkeeper in English? I would like.
I would like a football. I would like a football.
I would like.
I would like to buy a football.
No. That's okay. I would like.
A football. A football.
There would be an article there, no?
Yes.
I would like a football. So that is why, if I had einen Fußball here, a football,
Right.
then it would be möchte. Ich möchte einen Fußball.
Ich möchte einen Fußball.
Then it is obvious that you would like to buy
Yeah.
or take or whatever it is. Okay.
Yeah.
But since we don't have the article here, then it is usually referring to the game. And then if you use möchte, then you would have to say ich möchte Fußball spielen. Does that clear your doubt?
Yeah.
Because I am confused now completely, but it's okay. If it's clear your doubt, I'm fine with that. Mike, Shashank, and then Ramya. Yeah.
So what's the difference between einen and ein?
Yeah. That is today's lesson. So we'll come to that.
So suppose if you want to say like we said, ich möchte ein CD von Madonna.
Eine CD von
CD
Madonna.
von Madonna. Can we say like that? Ich mag der CD von Madonna. Like I want to say I like the CD of Madonna's, or like you
Once
know.
you have bought the CD,
Yeah, like.
once you have the CD and you want to say, yeah, I like this CD.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
No,
can say
that's
ich
correct.
mag.
So you can say that about like if
But
I want to
then
say I
that
like the
eine-
pizza, or I like
The eine will change then, no?
Yeah, it won't be eine then. So if you want to say I like the CD, then you'll say ich mag der CD von Madonna, or
Yeah, ich mag die CD
Oh, CD
von
okay.
Madonna. Yeah.
All right.
So, for example, you can say ich mag die neue CD von Madonna. That's fine. I like the new CD that Madonna has cut. She's come out with whatever. Okay. CD von Madonna. Yeah.
So what's a teller?
Teller. Plate.
Then what's the difference between teller and portion?
Portion. Portion. Yeah. What is the in English?
So portion and a plate.
In English, what is the difference between a plate and a plate of pommes frites? What is the difference between that? The plate refers to the object, the plate.
Okay.
Whereas a plate of pommes frites refers to French fries. Okay. So that is eine Portion pommes frites. Here teller also means a physical object. Portion is not a physical object. Portion is a measure, a portion of French fries. It's a measure. It's an abstract noun actually. Okay. So whereas a plate of French fries in ein Teller spaghetti, teller is actually also the word for the physical object, a plate. Okay.
You wrote the sentence ich mache salad.
Yeah. Ich mache Salat.
Yeah, so that sentence means I'm making salad. And
Yes.
we also saw a sentence was magst du. So in that
Was?
was magst du.
Yeah.
In that it is doing, like what do you like doing. So what does machen exactly mean?
Both. To make and to
Both.
do.
Can you say that?
Machen can be used for both. To make as well as to do. Vorliebe means for preference. Okay. Vorliebe means preference is mögen, and Wunsch is obviously wish. Wish is, so like and dislike is mögen, wish is möchte. Mögen, Ich mag die Musik von Xavier Naidoo. Xavier Naidoo, I don't know who that is. Du magst dieses Essen nicht. Er mag seine Oma. Wir mögen Käsekuchen. Käsekuchen. Cheesecake. Oma. Grandma. Grandmother. Oma. Ihr mögt Spiele im Unterricht. Spiele im Unterricht. Games. Games during the class. Yeah, I mean, learning is better if you play games, but it is not. I mean, as I said already, probably that we have the worst kind of this thing of classrooms, where everybody is facing the teacher and hoping to be enlightened, and there is no Bodhi tree over the teacher's head. So, or Sie mögen die Nachbarn nicht. Die Nachbarn. Neighbors. They don't like the neighbors. Sie mögen Nachbarn nicht. Möchte. Ich möchte keinen Kaffee trinken. Möchte. Du möchtest Pizza essen and so on and so forth. Is there any doubt about möchte and mögen? Can we go ahead then? Can we go and finish this PPT also? Lebensmittel is a verb. Is a word we have done. Lebensmittel is a word we have done, and in the book, in dem Buch auf Seite 49, Seite 49, Seite 49 im Lehrbuch finden Sie auf Seite 49 finden Sie eine Mindmap, eine Mindmap, yeah. Lebensmittel, Lebensmittel in the center. Lebensmittel we said was what? What are means of life? Groceries, yeah. Und what all are the associations with the word groceries or Lebensmittel? So, for example, you have 4 possible word fields that come up. One is Geschäfte. Geschäfte are shops. Essen, Essen, eating. Getränke, drinks. Mahlzeiten, meals, meal times, meals. But you can have other also. I mean, that depends on what you associate with groceries. Okay, so you can have other meaningful bubbles coming out of groceries, and then those will lead to other associations. Okay, so for example, under Geschäfte we have Bäckerei. What else could we have? If you look at the screen, Bäckerei, Markt, Metzgerei. Metzgerei? What is he selling there? Metzgerei? Meat, yeah, so what is that? A meat shop, a butcher shop, yeah. Ein Metzger. Ein Metzger is a butcher. Der Metzger. Der Bäcker. This is a key, huh? So, under Geschäfte you can have Bäckerei, Metzgerei, Markt, Supermarkt, Laden. Laden. You can have der Kiosk. Kiosk. What is a kiosk? What is a kiosk? A newspaper stand, a small shop is a kiosk. Okay, so you could have a kiosk. So that way, mind map is very useful, because from groceries, from Lebensmittel, you can go in, let's say for example, 4 directions: Geschäfte, Essen, Trinken or Getränke, and Mahlzeiten. From Geschäfte, you can go to Kiosk. Zum Beispiel Kiosk, Bäckerei, Metzgerei, Markt. From Bäckerei you can go to Brot, Kuchen, whatever, Torte, tart. A tart is a Torte. So you can go there. From tart, what is a tart? Is a baked sweet, is a tart. Okay. Then from kiosk. Kiosk, Saurabh said was what? Kiosk was? Newspaper stand. So from kiosk you can go to, what is newspaper? Zeitung. Zeitung, you could go to Magazin, Illustrierte. Typically, what else can you buy at a kiosk? If you see a newspaper stand, if you see newspaper stands near the bus stands, near the, what can you buy there? Magazines, newspapers, calendars, small sweets, small groceries, soft drinks, tobacco products. All these things are, then you can go to kiosk and what all those kiosks have. That can lead to further, so it's kind of a chain reaction. And so it's useful to have to do such mind maps for yourself. So please practice that whenever you get the time. That is on page 49 of the textbook. Wo kann man Lebensmittel kaufen? Bäckerei, Markt, Metzgerei, Supermarkt, etc. Kiosk. Lebensmittel. Zwiebeln. Zwiebeln? No. Onions. Zwiebeln. Milch. Karotten. Tomaten. Pilze. Pilze? Mushrooms. Brot. Bananen. Kartoffeln. These are potatoes. Kartoffeln. Äpfel. Yeah. And I think we have done how to read the price, no? No? 219. How would you read 219? We have done that. 2,19 €. 2,19 €2,19. Karotten, 3 Kilo Karotten kosten 3 Kilo Karotten kosten 3 €99. You always split the euros and cents with the word euro. Okay, 3 €99. Or Brot, 500 Gramm Brot kostet 2,70 €. 5 Kilo Bananen. 5 Kilo Bananen kosten 4 €89, etc. etc. Okay. Ja, ergänzen Sie der, das, die oder ein, eine, einen or dash. If you don't need an article, then just leave it. Can you try to do this? Guten Tag, kann ich helfen? Kann ich helfen? I mean, there's no need to translate it. If you can understand, we'll just go ahead. Kann ich helfen? Ja, ich möchte gern Eier und Äpfel. Eier, eggs and Äpfel, apples. Do you need articles for that? No. So, Eier und Äpfel. Ja, sehen Sie mal. Ja, sehen Sie mal. Eier sind ganz frisch. What would you use here? Die Eier. Now the shopkeeper is pointing to some particular eggs that they are ganz frisch. They are quite fresh. They are very fresh. Then ganz frisch. Und die Äpfel hier sind vom Bodensee. Bodensee? Geography, Bodensee, the Lake Constance on the Swiss-German border. Die Äpfel hier sind vom Bodensee. Machen Sie Kuchen, da sind Äpfel gut. Was brauchen Sie noch? Machen Sie Kuchen? Nothing. Are you making cake? Okay. Machen Sie Kuchen, da sind Now Äpfel gut, particular Äpfel or any apples? No, da sind die Äpfel gut. These particular apples, the apples that I am giving you, they are good for baking a cake. Was brauchen Sie noch? Brauchen, to need. Was brauchen Sie noch? Haben Sie auch Würstchen? Haben Sie auch Würstchen? Würstchen? Sausages. Würstchen are sausages. Do you also have sausages, the sausages, just sausages? Just sausages. Haben Sie auch Würstchen? Wir grillen. Wir going to grill. Wir grillen. Natürlich, hier sind, is she giving him the sausages, sausages or just sausages? No, here are sausages. Here you go, sausages. Hier sind Würstchen. Wie viele brauchen Sie? 8 Paar bitte. 8 Paar. 8 Paar bitte. 8 pairs. Das Paar, die Paare is a pair. No, when you order it is in German 8 Paar bitte. It's almost like saying just using the unit without this thing. Like you say a 2-hour class, a 5-hour class. We don't say 5 hours class, but a 5-hour class. It's that kind of a use. 8 Paar bitte. Ich möchte 8 Paar Würstchen. Yeah. Mike, or speak aloud, loudly.
You said that you don't need to say, you just say here are sausages. You can also say here are the sausages, right? It's like
Yeah.
a connotation thing.
Here are your sausages, here are the sausages. I mean, I would rather say without. I mean, it's, as I said, you can say here sind die Würstchen. Yeah, okay. We will also have here sind die Würstchen. Wie viele brauchen Sie? It's okay, it's not, I mean, you can have that kind of ambivalence in a sentence. Okay. The other question was, what is the difference between ein and einen and der and den? Okay. So that we have in this lesson, lesson number 4. Seite 51, Seite 51, da haben wir den Akkusativ. Yeah, Akkusativ. Can you see that on page 51 in your book? Verben mit Akkusativ. It's a very basic thing is, with this we come to the subject-object dualism, okay, or subject-object binary. And you have, for example, wir, brauchen, haben, machen, kochen, essen, kaufen, nehmen. Okay. So wir is the subject. We are doing, we need, we have, we make, we cook, we eat, we buy, we take. All these verbs, all these actions are being done by us, we. So we is the subject, and all these are what? All these are verbs. Action words, no. Verbs. Wir brauchen. Wir brauchen was? We need what? Eine Gurke. What is a Gurke? Cucumber. Eine Gurke. Wir haben. We have. What? Keinen Käse. No cheese. Wir machen einen Salat. A salad. So, what are all these things are? Objects. Wir kochen keine Suppe. Wir essen das Fleisch. Wir kaufen ein Brot. Wir nehmen den Schinken, etc., etc. Okay. So, question is, subject we buy what? Object. We eat what? Object. We need what? object. We have what, even if it is negative, it is still object. Okay. We have no cheese. Okay. So, is this okay? So, in a sentence you usually have, in a sentence usually something happens, some action happens. That action word is the verb. The entity that is doing the action is the subject, and the entity on which the action is done is the object. Okay. So, for example, if I were to, you have done active passive voice, no? You have done active passive voice, remember that? So, we need a cucumber, passive voice. Cucumber is needed by us. Okay, so that what is needed is the object. We need a cucumber. Is that okay? Basic subject object different distinction is this. Now, when it is, so objects, we say this is the accusative case, okay, and subject, this is the nominative case. These are cases. I mean, cases are basically certain forms in which nouns and pronouns appear in a sentence. So, the subject in grammatical terms is the nominative case, and objects here, these are the accusative case. That is what we mean by accusative in German. Okay. And what we are seeing is, no, we haven't seen anything. There was one Käse, Salat, Schinken. What is common to all of them? Cheese, salad and ham. What is common to all of them? Pranav, der. They are all masculine. They are all masculine. Okay. So, Gurke, Gurke is die Gurke, feminine, die Gurke. Brot is das Brot. Fleisch, of course, das Fleisch. Käse is der, Salat is der, Schinken is der, Gurke is die, Suppe, die. So, eine Suppe, eine Gurke, keine Suppe, ein Brot, das Fleisch. There is obviously no change, okay, in these. Eine Gurke, keine Suppe, das Fleisch, ein Brot. There is no change in these. There is only a change in the masculine ones. Okay. Käse, kein, ein, we don't say ein Käse, but we can say kein Käse, no cheese. Okay. Kein Käse is becoming keinen Käse when it is appearing as object. Ein Salat is becoming einen Salat when it appears as object, and der Schinken is becoming den Schinken, appearing as object. That is what is the ein, einen, der, den. It is the accusative case, which is the direct object of a verb, and if it is nominative, then der Käse. If it is accusative, den Käse, or ein Käse, hardly said, kein Käse, keinen Käse. Nominative, das Brot, accusative, no change. Die Gurke, no change, and die Tomaten, no change. So, the only change in the accusative is for the masculine singular. Das Brot ist frisch. Here, das Brot is nominative. Wir kaufen das Brot. Here das Brot is accusative. Here what is the nominative here? Wir is the nominative here. And das Brot, here it is the subject of the sentence in this one, and here it is the object of the sentence. Okay, but it's not changing. Das Brot, das Brot. Der Salat ist lecker. Lecker. Yummy, yeah. Der Papagei isst den Salat. Papagei? Yeah. Der Papagei isst den Salat. Here, der Salat is nominative, that's why it's der Salat. But here, Papagei is coming in, who's eating the salad. So Papagei becomes nominative, salad is accusative, and so the der changes to den, only for masculine singular. Okay. Ein will change to einen, der will change to den, and kein will change to keinen. There are several exercises about this in the book. You can look at them, and similarly we can make something with die. Yeah, die Gurke ist frisch. Wir essen die Gurke, or die Tomaten sind billig, billig, cheap. Die Tomaten sind billig. Wir kaufen die Tomaten, whatever. So all the others, there will be no change. Only masculine singular. Subject and object forms are different. Okay. I think we have to stop here.